In this video I'm going to show you how you can change from miles to kilometers on Doordash or the Dasher app. So how this works, it basically takes your phone's language and chooses the measurement that way. So if we want to change it, we'll go into settings here, and from our phone settings we just want to search for language. So language and region. Click on here and you will be able to see your preferred languages. So depending on which of your languages is on top, then this is the one that's going to be used. So here we can either change this, or we can change our region here to Canada, for example, if we're not from the US, and this is going to change from miles to kilometers on Doordash. And another way of how we can do this is by going here to the settings and searching for Doordash directly, or the Dasher app in our case, and we want to click on Dasher, and here for the language, preferred language, we will choose English, and we can choose either English, we can choose actually English Canada to change from miles to kilometers. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.